Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Engineering Modules. So today I am going to discuss you with the topic voltage and current divider rule. So what is voltage divider and what is current divider? In my previous video I told you that in series circuit, voltage will be divided through the resistance, but current is same to all. So in this circuit we see that Vs is the supply voltage, R1 is the first resistance and second resistance is R2. So we see that in series circuit the equivalent resistance is R1 plus R2. Then we multiply each side with the current I. Then IR equals to a supply voltage, and IR1 and IR2 is the V1 and V2. So if we calculate the I, the total current through the circuit, then it is V by R1 plus R2. Then we equate this equation to across R1, the voltage will be V1. So V1 equals to I R1. Then V1 equals to I is replaced with V by R1 plus R2. Then V by R1 plus R2 into R1. So what is the across voltage in R1? VR1 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, what is the across voltage through R2? Is VR2 divided by R1 plus R2. So from this we state that in series circuit voltage will be divided by this formula. What is V load? Which resistance we calculate? This is V load and equal to the supply voltage into load resistance divided by the total sum over of all the resistance. So this is voltage divider rule for series circuit. Now we explain the current divider rule for parallel circuit. We all know that in parallel circuit current will be divided and voltage will constant. So let's start. So for parallel circuit, the voltage source and the two branches of resistance which are in parallel, current will be divided through I1 and I2 through R1 and R2. Net current of the circuit is I, so I equals to I1 plus I2. Then we calculate the equivalent resistance from the equation V by R equals to V by R1 plus V by R2. By computing this, we get R equals to R1 R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So now we calculate the current which will divide it through the branches. So what is this? Voltage across R1 is V and also voltage across R2 is also V. So now V equals to I1 R1. So V equal to IR. Then I equals to the equivalent resistance. We put this R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. So I1 R1. Then we cancel out this and get that I1, the current through R1 is I into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Similarly, we get the current through R2. What is this? I2. I2 equals to I1 R1 divided by R1 plus R2. So what is we see that for two resistance in parallel circuit, the current through one resistance is what? The supply current into the next resistance divided by total resistance. So this is in parallel circuit current divider rule. So this is for series circuit and parallel circuit. The voltage divider rule and current divider rule are applicable. So this is all the calculations of voltage and current divider rule. So friends, thank you and keep watching. Please get like, share and please subscribe my channel and keep watching the other videos. Thank you.